Hi guys, ngayon po ay Huwebes Santo, Monday, Thursday. Lahat po ng radio stations po, Mapa AM, FM, wala na po. As of 1:30 AM, 558, wala. DZWB 594, wala. DWPM 630, wala rin. Off air. DZRH, off air din. Okay, off-air din DZAS, but babalik po sila para sa Holy Week Special. 738 Radyo Pilipinas, o Radyo ng Bayan, but you can hear the Chinese, Chinese radio stations around China or Hong Kong or Taiwan. DWWW 774, it's off the air. DZRJ 810, it's off air.
Tanggapin niyo ang inyong birthday.
Radyo Veritas, but in Holy Week kasi sila po ay Catholic radio station.
Diocese of Cavite. Email.
Ito lang po yung on air. DWIZ 8882882 is off air pa rin. DZSR Sports Radio off air. Bakit nagpas ako? Okay. Even DZ 918 954, but babalik po sila kasi hindi naman po sila nag-celebrate ang Holy Week kasi sila po ay Iglesia ni Cristo 954. (1062) DZEC, but this is a Iglesia ni Cristo rin, same of 954. DWAD off air din. DWDD off air din. DWAN, the one 12.6, it's off air pa rin ng IBC. DWBL 1242 off air. DZRM 1278 off air. DWXI on air ba kasi meron silang Holy Week special kasi ayun nagpapasyon po sila nagpapabasa po sila dito sa radyo kasi El Shaddai po yung may-ari nito. Okay, DZXQ La Verdad La Verdad 1350 UNTV, it's off air dahil hindi lang po sila nag-celebrate hindi sila nag-celebrate ng Holy Week, but kailangan nila itong mag-break for general cleaning. DWAR or DWSS 1494 is off air, Abante Radio. DZME 1530 off air. Okay, this is the AM station na off the air right now. Up next is FM radio station. Just subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.